Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and it's time for another Scraps to Embellishments YouTube hop. And what we do is gather our scraps together and make handmade embellishments, and it's for a theme every week, and it's hosted by Ginger's Corner. So I'll have a group listed below and everyone else who is playing along. And this week's theme is all stars, so you can make anything with a star related. So I decided to make these little pockets. They can be used for journaling pockets or ephemera pockets. And I've just put some stars on the front. Really, really simple. And they can be used for your junk journals, your scrapbook pages, cards, anything. So I thought I would run through how I made that one. So I'm using this die set, and I'm using just the one die out of it, and it's the mini pocket envelope die from Stampin' Up, and I'll have it listed below. And this is actually what I do my journaling with as well. So on the back of my layouts I have a little pocket like this. My journaling is tucked in, and then I have a tab on top that you just pull the tab and the journaling comes out. Now the journaling is either on a card, two-sided, or if it's a longer story and I can't fit it on two sides of the card, then I have a piece of just copy paper typed up and folded to fit on the card, and then you just pull it out and unfold it. So that's how I do my journaling. I don't like journaling on the front of layouts very often. Anyway, so I just went through my scraps and I cut out 5 of these. I've got one to make up. We're going to make up together. This was just a yellow basic grey, I think. And then I had these 2 scraps, well, this one piece that I've cut 2 out of, and then this piece that was big enough that I cut 2 out of. It works really well if your paper's double-sided, because then on this bit you get to see a pretty pattern rather than just white like on this one here or these ones here. This was a single-sided. Was that double-sided? It's just very pale, I think. Hang on. Oh, that's double-sided. It's just very pale. Alright, so that is how we do that. Okay, so we're just going to make this one up. I have inked all the edges already, and some of them won't be seen, I know, but I thought I'll just keep inking. There's 2 ways you can do the join. Let me just fold these up. So this die scores as well, so that you know where you're folding. If you had better eyes than me, oh sorry, you'll probably be able to see it better. Sometimes my folds go a little bit crooked. Alright, so like I said, there's 2 ways you can do the join. On my one, this is my one I'm going to keep, I put these flaps on the outside. On these ones I glued them to the inside. It's a much neater finish. Not that anyone's going to see it, because you're probably going to glue it onto a page anyway. The problem with doing it this way is that you can't use too much glue, because it will glue more in than those 2 flaps, and it'll be a smaller opening. And the other issue you have is that if your flap is not stuck down properly, things can get caught on it. But I want the nicer finish, so for my swap items I'm going to be gluing my flaps on the inside. So I just burnish them all with a bone folder, just to make sure that it's a nice crisp fold. And then you just want a little bit of glue, and you don't want to go right to the edge, otherwise it will leak onto the actual envelope, and then that will stop it from opening properly. And then I just, if I've folded it right and even, it will just sit on top nicely. I burnish it again just to get a really nice bond. And there's our cute little envelope. How cute are they? Very nice. Now all I'm going to do is randomly stick on the stars. Now they're all probably going to be different, I have 4 bundles of stars and some extras. Now I don't have a stamp, I don't have a die that cuts stars, and I don't have a star punch. I know, tell me about it. So, brother Scan and Cut to the rescue, and I just loaded the screen with stars, picked out some scraps again and made sure I covered that section with the scraps. It didn't have to be the one big bit of scrap. I had like maybe like a 3-inch and then another couple of inch bit here and then another bit here, and that's how I cut the stars out. So what I'm going to do is just grab, did I grab it from this one? Okay. We're just going to cover each pocket in stars. And they're all going to be a little bit different, but it doesn't matter. And it doesn't matter that they hang off the edge either. So, I don't know. How do you place stars nicely? Yeah. So we're just randomly placing stars. Oh, and that should have gone on that one. Never mind, let's tuck you under there. Here we go. So quick and simple. Like I said, I will have the group linked below if you want to join, and it's lots of fun making the embellishments, and you get embellishments back from your swap partners. And some of them, it's like, I don't know what I would use those embellishments for, like the theme, but I do it anyway. And one quite recently was, what was it? It was a cowboy theme. Little Buckaroo was the theme, and it could be anything cowboy related. And I thought, when am I ever going to use anything cowboy or western? Sorry, western related it had to be. When am I ever going to use anything western related? Like, it's not like we have like the same cowboys, rodeo type of things out here. And then I was doing a scrapbook page of a ride on the Gold Coast. I think it was at Movie World or somewhere, and it was actually Wild West Falls was the name of the ride. And I went, oh, look at that, I can use those embellishments on that. How cool. So there you go. If you don't think you're ever going to use it, you just don't know. And they came in really, really handy because I had nothing else that suited that theme, and that page had just those embellishments on it, so it was really, really handy. Okay, I think I need another star on this one. There's only 4 stars. 1, 2, 3. I had 5. Well, I have another pile here, so let's just grab another one. And put it in the middle. Okay, our last one. And I will go and back and glue the points down so they're not sticking up and getting in the way. These 3 stars out of this, I was going to say fabric, but this paper are different because I thought I had dies that cut out stars, but they only embossed. So then I had to hand cut around the embossing line, and I thought, I'm not doing that for all these stars that I need. So I put them away, and yeah, got the Scan and Cut out to cut out stars. There was no way I was hand cutting out, 40 stars or whatever many I needed. Wasn't going to happen. Oh, I've got no more of these little ones. So that'll have to be a bigger one of them. Here we go. They're all different, but it doesn't matter. Right, I need another one on there. Probably got too many stars now, but anyway. I wish I had a little one to go there because I think this is going to be too big. I can turn them over. Oh, wait, I got that one. Does that look odd? It's not inked on that side, but we can soon fix that. It's the only one that's going to have one of them. But they don't all have to be the same, do they? So we're just going to ink this one. Oh, gosh, my hands don't want to work today. It's a bit cold. And we will stick that one in the middle. I've got another one of them. What else needs another one? Don't need another one. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's just plain. That's a bit boring. Oh, look. Is that too many stars? Probably. You're probably all screaming at me going, that's too many stars. Stop while you're ahead. But I can't. I want to keep adding the stars. Stars made me do it. Alright. I'm nearly done. Never to put up with me much longer. Where was I putting it? There. That's got already enough, doesn't it? And that's got, oh, I was going to put one there. Okay. Do I want it there? I think I want it there. There we go. There's all about the stars. My swaps. So like I said, I'll have the group list linked below. It's really fun. Every week's a different theme, and you're not swapping overseas. There's teams around the world in some parts of Europe, in America, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. So if you like to join us, join the group and start swapping. Thank you so much for watching. If you've liked these embellishments, give me the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. And like I said, check out the playlist below and see what everyone else has come up with. Thanks for watching. Have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.